I'm not painful. Not painful.
Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. Ain't nothing to it. Nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it.
Put my hair, I put the bob behind my ear. I like it like that. It's so better. It's so cute. Now, okay, now that we play with it, it's kind of dry though. So we did put water in it during this tutorial, but if you have like a spray bottle on deck, definitely use the spray bottle because this hair wetted, but it tends to get dry. And also put like some oil in it if you want to. But yeah, this look came out so pretty. Like I could see, like with some deep curls, I could see that as a bob. Okay, I could see it as a bob. Like, feeling it. I'm really feeling it. Now I'm feeling it. I told myself, okay, look, let me put my makeup on. You know, it might come together. But I did a good job, I think. But I kind of over bleached it to where the bleach sunk through. But it was like a thick consistency. Like I don't know what I did, y'all. Anyways, trial and error. You know, you just keep practicing until you get. This is Malaysian short curly hair, y'all. Human hair, and this is from Myfirstwig. Ooh, so cute. And it came with everything in the box that you need. So if you ever purchase or ever want to purchase a wig, purchase it from Myfirstwig because it comes with everything that you would need. Everything will be included in the box so that you can be flaky for your first wig. Stay tuned to see how I achieve this look along with the hairstyle, because I seen this on Facebook. It was a girl who was rocking a curly bob, and mom was like, you know, let's do that one. I don't know her name, but I just saw it going viral on Facebook. But yeah, we decided to do the curly bob, and it actually came out cute. Ooh, this is cute. I like it. I like it behind the ears. Like, it just has to be behind the ear. Got me feeling exotic. I want to get y'all to this wig to see how I did it. And yeah, it's comment down below. Tell me more videos that you would like to see, because I'm definitely coming back, y'all. Slowly. Don't forget to press that bell button next to the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that like button. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. We are getting into this Myfirstwig unboxing, y'all. So this wig came inside of this box, and let me show you what comes inside it. But you have manuals. You also have a conditioner that they sent, a plastic zipper bag which the wig comes in, and you have this little pouch here, and inside comes a comb. Not just a comb, y'all. These be the bomb combs. This baby hair brush, these are good. The elastic band, a clip, bobby pin, like, okay, bobby pins. Ooh. I'll show you. I'm bald here right now, so.
Bald head. Let me see.
No. I'm gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. Alright, y'all, so what my mom is doing now is taking Ghost Bond glue and basically putting it on my forehead. She took some alcohol as well so that this wig can really stick. Now my cap was on, but the cap was falling off, but this cap is too light. I should have had a different cap, but it was so last minute. But everything turned out to be cute, and yeah, I over bleached it. I think it sunk through, as you can see those little yellow hairs, but problem solved. All you gotta do is put mascara in, it'll be fine. But it was a sad part, so I really didn't have to worry about it. So what my mom is doing now is basically cutting this into a bob, and she's basically shaping it, parting it, and just going to cut all around the perimeters until she gets to the other side. Now the other side is going to be left long. So this wig is fully constructed. Everything will be in the link in the description right below. It came with a band, elastic band on it already, and they give you an extra one just in case you want extra tightness. But I really like this wig, and don't forget to go check them out in the description right below. Another fourth tutorial. I am back, but with a wig on, y'all. Spice this up, trying to make it work the best way that we can. Okay, so what I'm doing is my brows. Clean out my brows. First thing I want to hop in with is Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I love this stuff because it's basically like glue, like the drags be using, but I use it to tame my brows. I'm breaking out like crazy, y'all. Like it's trying to be, well, it's trying to clear, but especially on this side, I'm breaking out like crazy. I don't know what the hell's going on. Maybe something I'm eating. This part, I'm going to use the No Shine Translucent Matting Powder, y'all. I buy a lot of pencils, y'all. So Slay Beauty on Instagram, I asked her about the pencil she was using in her tutorial that she was on Instagram, and it was the Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. But y'all already know I'm going to use I'm just gonna stick to the regular routine. Top brow in the shade Deep Dark Brown and Brunette. C45 for my brows. Ahead and I took a base number 5 from Plouise. I also go into this XL palette from Venus, y'all. Well, from Lime Crime. It's a Venus XL palette. We're gonna go into this one first and then this one second. Always make sure your base is increasing before you're going with any shadow. Tap, tap, tap. Around 167 brush from Morphe. I'm just paying y'all. I think I'm gonna take Idolize right here. Morphe, a 441 brush. The other one was a MAC 221. MAC $195. Look at that cut. 39S palette, and I'm gonna go in with this pink right here. With this dark pink first in the front, and then this light pink on the outer part. Being careful not to not to go over my cut. Light pink shade right here. And tap it on. Another 221. And I'm gonna grab this shade right here. This purple shade. That's on. Going this way. Whoa. Pigment. I'm gonna go with this pigment from Makeupaddictioncosmetics. It's in the shade Cinderella. We are coming together. Okay, come on, cuts. Alright, so I went ahead and used my wing liner in the shade Noir Black from Wet n Wild. And then I did go ahead and use Plouise Base Gold Digger a little bit in the center part. I'm gonna go back to the old brush that I was using a long time ago. This is a Zoeva brush, and it's in the style number 102 Silk Finish Buffer Brush. It's like a dome. So I'm just gonna place a little bit of foundation on my face. Like I said, I don't want to do too much. Take Fine and Girl Pro Concealer. So my favorite contour stick at the moment is this Crayon stick, color V23. I'm gonna take some of my crayon case in powder. With frost. This is Diamond Frost, Diamond Wet. I want to bronze. This brush for blush, Anastasia blush. I took Inglot pigment in the shade 76. It's white, pure white. And now I'm about to spice this up and add Helencosmetics pigment, neon green. This is pure pigment number 1. Chestnut. Colors Less Cuddle. For this one. set my face with some Huda Beauty spray, and then we're done. I'll meet you guys when I come back with my outfit on.